I want to find the equivalent resistance seen from here. So if I observe this one, there is a delta connection I can see. So in order to do the simplification, or in order to simplify, I have to convert this delta into a y. So let's identify the nodes here. There is an A here, let's call it A, this one B, and this one C. So if we say that this is 24, nothing is changing there, and this is 10 ohms, and from there if I write the y here, there will be this one, and this one, like that. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now what will be the values? These will stay the same, 24 ohms there and then 10 ohms. Now when I convert to equivalent y, this resistance, let's call it R1, whatever. So if this is R1, in the denominator it will have summation of all these three. So that will be 30 plus 20 plus 50. So that will be actually 100. And on the numerator, since this is connected from A, whatever is the two resistances that are connected to A, to node A, will be multiplied. So 30 times 20, that is 30 times 20. So that will be 100 here and 600 there. So that will be 6 ohms. So this resistance will be 6 ohms. Then we want to find what is this one. Let's call it R2. R2 will be, in the denominator will be 100, the same thing. And since we are looking at this one that is connected to B, node B, we can see 50 and 20. These two resistances are connected to node B in the delta. So in Y, in the equivalent Y, this one will be multiplication of 50 into 20. So 50 into 20 is 1000, that is 10 here. And finally R3, the one that is this one, call it R3. So that will be the one that is connected to C. In the denominator we will have 100, and in the numerator we will have, since to C is connected 30 and 50 are connected to C. So 30 times 50, that will be 1500 times divided by 100, so that will be 15 ohms. So the values will be 6 ohms here. R2 is 10 ohms and 15 ohms. 10 ohms and 15 ohms. So if I further simplify, 20 plus 6 will be, so I will draw here maybe 13 there. 20 plus 6 is 30 ohms, and here we will have 10 plus 10, 20, so that will be 20 ohms there, and this one will be, R3 will be 15, so 15 here, like that, 15 ohms. So, and this is 13 ohms. We need to find this one. So 13 there, and 30 and 20, the parallel equivalent will be 30 times 20 over 30 plus 20. The parallel, I'm trying to find the parallel equivalent of 30 and 20. So that will be here 600, and here is 50. So that's 12 there. So 12 ohms there, and there is 15 ohms there, and then 13 ohms. So basically just these three resistances in series. So if I add them up, it will be 13 plus 12 plus 15. 13 plus 12 is 25, plus 15 is 40 ohms. So the equivalent resistance is, if I just reduce to 1, that will be 40 ohms. 40 ohms. That's the equivalent resistance.